The engine bay is in order. But what's next, you might ask? Well, truthfully, I don't even know. Actually, I do. Grandpa Mike's on his way. He's going to give me some further assistance. We're going to try to get this electrical issue figured out. But while I'm waiting for him to come along, you're going to get this fun video here. We have the front fender and the door that still need to be sanded, along with some other components on the car. So that we can get further along, I have someone who's willing to come over and kind of look at and show me how to find the low spots. So that's going to be fun, because I really need that help and that assistance in that area aspect of this whole project. I need to clean up these surfaces and get them ready for Bondo, if not applied Bondo and cleaned up again. But those holes are almost filled. We got the dead presidents on the back side with some JB welds spread real nicely on that. And you get to this point at some point when you fill it enough, and there's no way those are coming off ever. So $1.25 baby, plus some sticky stuff. That's all you need. And that's this is pretty dirty. It's got grease all over it. We've been rubbing on it while we're walking by through the garage working on cars. So ideally this thing will need to be probably cleaned again. I will need to remove the handles to sand these, or like I can sand them on the car, but I will need to remove them to paint them. So that's something that needs to be done in the future, and that's annoying. The spats should be removed, so we're going a little, and that's all right that we're going deep with the intro. I don't have the forward facing camera on, and this is strange. This is really weird. I'm gonna have to fix that for sure. But if you haven't already, my name's T Kirk Media. Please press that subscribe button right now, because we're coming along. The channel's moving. We're making some progress. Bear with me. I know it's been taking a bit, but we are gonna have a running GC8 here soon that will need a tune. It does need tires. It does need primer probably. Maybe, hopefully not. We can get away with it. That'd be really cool. But I do have a base coat and clear coat ready to go on the car. Just need some body work ahead of me. And honestly, I'm learning it all on the go. So if you want to try to do something like this in the future, I want to see how it goes in my attempt. And it's all about the input and I guess how much you put in work-wise. I guess we'll see how it turns out. I don't know. I'm very skeptical, honestly, at this point. So, oh well. See how, hope for the best, right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.
digest. 5 or 6 pills in my right hand. Cold and running over on my nightstand. Taking medicine to fix all of the damage. My anxiety the size of a planet. Holes in my skull over time. Heart's override. Override. Sun freezing. Beautiful eyes. Deceiving. We may die this evening. Coughing. Wheezing. Bleeding. I am ancient. Blood moves in my eyes. Halo. Red and black. They glow. Under attack in my soul. When is my time? I'll know. Never seen a hell so cool. Yeah, we'll make it out. Run right through the flames. Let's go. Oh, I Gucci suit, I'm feeling righteous. Yeah, I know that the truth is hard to digest. 5 or 6 pills in my right hand. Yeah, cold and running over on my nightstand.
Crying out loud, man. Sand, 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 sand. That's all we did in this video, right? Damn straight. We're getting this body smoothed out. We still have to take the bumpers off the front and the rear. But I just sanded most of them on the car. I will need to do those nooks and crannies a little better. There's some stuff here. I will probably need to hit the fenders. There's a couple fenders I missed. I got all these little accessory parts I still need to go through aside from the, what are they called? Side skirts? Yeah, let's think here, brain. But, yeesh. It's starting to come together on this one. Starting to see a plan of action ahead. As I sand these panels, I can see what needs body work. There's like scratches here and there and gouges. I'll just put a little body filler and clean that up. Sand it up, smooth it up, and probably primer the entire car. That's the only downside I'm looking at. I am looking at some primer, unfortunately, and I am... The wallet's feeling the lack of cheddar right now. Yikers. But anyways, we continue on, and on this content quest. There's still work to be done on the car. I still need to further diagnose why it's not actually getting fuel, and I'm going through that. But while I can't get any further and I'm stuck, I will continue to make further progress on the body. So make sure to check back for more. If this is your first time on the channel, thank you for stopping by and sticking through the video this long. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content, GC8, whatever I have, whatever I throw out. I don't know. Could be anything. You'll never know. That's all it comes down to. But